Hello everyone, in this video I am going to demonstrate how to create assets by finance team in the system. This will be a login screen. Here you will going to enter the email address. Like here I am entering the email address of an employee. In password you will going to enter the password. Click on login button in order to log into ERP. After login, navigate to finance. Now click on management, which is the menu of advisor. Now click on asset. In order to create new asset in the system, just click on create button. As soon as you will click on create button, a form will open here. Here you will give your asset name. For example, I am giving the asset name as motor vehicle. Here you will select the category, that in which category it is lie. Here you will give the serial number if this particular asset have any. Here you will select the user which is using it. Please note the field which are in blue are the mandatory one. Here you will select the location, enter the location. Here you will select the purchase date. Here you will enter the date of put to use of this particular asset. Here you will give the asset description. Here you will give the gross value of this particular motor vehicle. For example, it is of 60,000. Here you will enter the salvage value. Now here you will select the vendor. Here you will select the invoice. Now the depreciation. Here the depreciation will automatically calculate it. Here you will see that as soon as you will select the category, these fields will be automatically selected here based on the configuration that you have done for this particular asset in the system. Now click on save button. In order to compute depreciation, just click on compute depreciation button. Now in order to confirm this particular asset, just click on confirm button. Now this asset is in running state. If you want to sell or dispose it, just click on sell or dispose button. If you want to set to draft, just click on set to draft. If you want to modify the depreciation, you will click on modify depreciation button. This is how you will create assets in the system.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.